Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a pig in a blanket.
Yeah, it's a hot dog wrapped up in a biscuit.
Yup.
This was my favorite thing to eat for lunch when I was a kid.
I love them.
Yeah, they're super good. We hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Before we start, we want to give you a quick preview of how our hot dogs turned out, and they look awesome. I hope our friends are really excited to follow along with us. And we're using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. Also remember to not worry about making your drawing look perfect. The most important thing is
to have fun and to practice.
Yeah, and I'm sure we'll say that a couple more times. Let's start by drawing our little hot dog's face. We're going to draw it right here towards the top so that we have room for the whole hot dog and the blanket. We're going to draw the smile. We're going to draw a really happy hot dog. And we're going to draw, I'm going to draw a little bigger. There we go. And then we're going to draw it open, or our hot dog's mouth open. Then we're going to draw a big letter U underneath. And then we could draw a tongue inside. Then let's color in the top shape. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw them this size, not too big so that our hot dog doesn't get too big. And then we're going to draw the smaller circle in the top left of each eye to make our eyes shiny. We're going to color in the big circle though and leave that little circle white. I love that your hot dog is going to be a lot bigger than mine.
Yeah.
That's okay, right? The
Yes.
most important thing is?
To have fun and to practice.
Yeah, to have fun and practice. Okay, now let's draw our hot dog. We're going to start at the bottom of the mouth, and we're going to draw it close to the eyes. We're going to come around and stop in the same place, but over here. There's the top of our hot dog and our funny face. Now let's draw the little blanket, and we're going to draw it like it's a blanket wrapped around.
The biscuit blanket.
Yeah, a biscuit blanket. We're going to start here, and let's draw it crossing over. So we're going to stop there. And we went a little past the hot dog on the side, and then we're going to draw this part of the blanket coming over. And then let's draw the blanket curving around here and then connecting around the back. And we're going to imagine that going behind the back of our hot dog, and then we're going to come around here and then yeah. There we go. Okay, now let's draw the rest of the biscuit. We're going to come down like this, around, and then we're going to come back up on the other side. So we got this letter U.
Kind of looks like a burrito.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, good job. Then we're going to finish the wrapped blanket coming around and then connecting down here at the bottom. Yeah, our little hot dog's all
cozy.
Yeah, cozy and tucked in.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's draw the arms. Let's draw an arm sticking out to the side here, and we could draw an arm sticking out over here. Then let's draw the bottom of our hot dog sticking out the bottom. We're going to draw a big letter U. And then we need to draw the feet. Let's draw 2 feet sticking out the bottom. I'm going to draw 2 short lines for the left leg and 2 short lines for the right leg. Then let's draw this one on the right of this leg. We're going to draw it longer. And then on this one, we'll do the same thing. We're going to draw the feet pointing in the same direction. So let's draw a curve coming around and connecting. And the same thing here. Curving around. Oh, this foot looks a little different. That's okay. And we did it. We finished drawing our hot dog in a blanket. Except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. This is one of my new favorite lessons.
I love it.
All right, let's speed things up. Jack, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our pigs in a blanket.
Yep.
They look so much better colored in. I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings too.
I also like the extra shading that we did.
Yeah, we used darker markers to add another layer on top of the first layer to shade and also give it that 3D look. We also used a white colored pencil to add some highlights to the hot dog.
Yep.
Make it look nice and
Shiny. We also added texture to the biscuit.
Yeah, that makes it look even tastier. But my favorite part is that our two drawings don't look exactly the same, especially like that you drew yours bigger.
Yeah.
You would fill the whole page with your pig in a blanket. That would be awesome.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your pig in a blanket.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.